Hey everyone, let's get started talking about tuples. Over in our text editor, let's go ahead and create a tuple. We'll say tuple A is equal to parentheses, cat, dog, and mouse. Remember that we specified tuple using a parentheses and that they're very similar to a list object. The only difference is a tuple is immutable. So this can be useful if you want to create a list but don't want people to be able to change it. We can create a tuple instead which is immutable and doesn't allow for that change. If we were to try to do that here, say tuple A dot append how we did in our list and pass in some type of value, so value, and save this and execute it, we should get an error in our terminal. So tuples.py. We see that tuple object has no attribute append. That's because it's an immutable object and we can't change it. So let's go ahead and get rid of this line of code. However, if you remember, a tuple does keep the order. Therefore, we are able to pull out values from our tuple using indexing. We can print tuple A, square brackets, and then let's pull out the word dog, which is in the first index position. We'll put in a 1, and now when we execute, we should be returned just dog. Tuples are one of the more uncommon data types that we have in Python. However, we still need to know how to use them. We can sometimes find ourselves using tuples whenever we're working in a coordinate plane. If we have a bunch of x and y values, tuples are probably the way to go. We use tuples from time to time, but really not that often. I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about sets.